Aluminum plastic panels are widely used in construction, advertising boards, interior decoration, and exterior wall systems. Every year, a large number of waste aluminum plastic panels are discarded, occupying land resources and causing serious environmental pollution. Without proper recycling, these materials are difficult to decompose and will harm the environment for a long time. Through professional recycling technology, aluminum and plastic can be effectively separated and reused. First, the waste aluminum plastic panels are fed into our heavy-duty double shaft shredder. The powerful blades cut the materials into uniform pieces. Next, the shredded materials are transferred into the crusher for secondary crushing. The crusher further reduces the material size and makes the particles more consistent, which helps improve the efficiency and accuracy of the following processing steps. After that, the materials enter the grinding mill for fine grinding. Through high-speed rotation and precise control, aluminum and plastic are fully released and separated from each other, preparing them for advanced sorting processes. Then, the ground materials are sent into the air separation system. By using the difference in material density, aluminum and plastic are separated quickly and accurately. This system ensures stable performance, low energy consumption, and high separation efficiency. Finally, the materials pass through the electrostatic separation system for further purification. By using electrostatic force, fine aluminum and plastic particles are separated more precisely, greatly improving product purity and overall recycling value. This step ensures that the final output meets high market standards and customer requirements.